You literally just lost a person who wanted to subscribe to your channel. Here's what you can do instead. Hi there! In this video I want to talk about why it's essential for you to use deep links on your social media, and I'm going to show you the website that I use to create my deep links. This will be a fairly quick one, I hope. So stick around, hit the like button, and let's jump into the video. Hi, my name is Dan. Welcome back to my channel where I help busy people with creative side hustles find motivation and the right tools to simplify their creative process. So if you're interested in that, I would love for you to subscribe, but either way, I encourage you to keep going, keep creating, even if you're doing it at a slower pace. Okay, what are deep links? Deep links are URLs specifically designed to link to a particular piece of content or page on the internet. In our case, it means linking between different apps such as Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube on a user's device. For example, if someone clicks on a link on your website or social media, with the deep link it jumps straight into the destination app without going through the browser and showing any unnecessary login windows. Is this only useful for YouTubers? Absolutely not. It's basically applicable to any type of business. If you have links that point to your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter, you want to use deep links to simplify the user experience. Let me show you how it looks when we don't use deep links. For this example, I'm going to use my photography account @ByDanJacobs. I'm going to put it up here in case you want to check it out. Normally, when you simply copy and paste the URL, for example, into your Instagram bio, it opens the browser window and asks you for a login, even though the user would have the app on their phone where they're already logged in. Okay, so if I go into my page, into my profile, and I've linked my channel on my bio, so if I click on the link, it opens the browser and YouTube, so that you see the channel, you can scroll through it, and you can probably watch the video. But if you want to subscribe, I click on here, then you'll see that it needs us to sign in. So, and when I click sign in, then it goes to the Google sign in window, which we don't want because we have the YouTube app on our phone where we're already logged in. So we actually want to go in there. So you literally just lost a person who wanted to subscribe to your channel. And that can be so frustrating, especially when you are a small creator just starting your channel. Shout out to Cody Warner, no small creator. I can hear his voice saying, there are no small creators. Anyway, if you're just starting out, every visitor to your channel or your social media page is a win. And you want to set yourself up as best as possible to convert that visitor into a subscriber or a follower. So we want to remove whatever barrier there is to bring an audience to our channel. Look, I'm not saying that this is a secret key for growth, but you want to make it as easy as possible for a person who actually clicks on your link, otherwise it's a lost lead. I have a recent example where I came across a YouTube channel on Instagram, so I went onto the bio and clicked the link, and then it opened the browser and asked me for the login. And I didn't want to do that, so I didn't subscribe. You might say, but Dan, it's so quick and easy to just enter your login details, but you'd be surprised how many people can't be bothered doing these extra few clicks. Okay, so now that we've seen what we want to avoid when linking between different apps, here's what you can do instead. But before we jump into that, I would really appreciate if you could give this video a like, because it would really help me out in the YouTube algorithm. I use a website called URL Genius, and this is how it looks. It's fairly simple. So I just copied the link from my latest YouTube video and I'll just paste it in here. And then I'll go down here and say compose deep link. And then I've got this deep link up here and I can copy the URL. So if I now go into Instagram and add this link to my bio, this is the link, all right. Okay, so now I have this deep link in my bio. So if a user now clicks on your link in your bio, it brings them right into the YouTube app and starts playing the video. And that's what we want. So you see, I'm logged in here, I can like the video, I can share it, I can leave a comment, and I can subscribe to the channel. So there was no barrier, it was one click and it got you right where you want people to be. So this is the key, and it's as simple as that. There's nothing more to it. So if you want to test out URL Genius, you can start a free trial, and that allows you to create 5 deep links and have 500 total clicks, which I think is enough to just test it out and see how you like it. If you need more links or you've reached your maximum number of clicks, you can sign up to the Pro version, which is 1 cent per click. And with that you can have up to 100 links and 10,000 clicks per month. With the Pro version you also get access to the analytics, which is really useful for general audience insights and if you want to see how each of your links performed. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn about other apps I use for my productivity or that help me simplify my creative work, check out these 2 videos here. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my next videos. But until then, I hope you just keep creating and keep going. Take care. Here we go. Next video, 4th in a row. Here we go, here we go. Right, so you might see there's a little bit, something's different in the background. What's different? I've got a new bed. New bed head.